Hey there, worm wranglers. Whether you've just started vermicomposting or you're a few weeks in, today's video is going to save you from some smelly, soggy, and wormy disasters. I'm sharing the top 10 worm bin mistakes most beginners make, and how to fix them fast. Let's keep your worm bin thriving and your garden growing strong. Too much food leads to foul smells, mold, and even fruit flies. Start slow. Feed small handfuls and wait until most of it disappears before adding more. If you smell rot, stop feeding and add dry bedding. Worms need bedding like we need a mattress. Bedding balances moisture, reduces odors, and gives them space to move. Shredded cardboard, paper, coconut coir, or aged leaves. Avoid citrus, meat, dairy, and oily leftovers. These can sour your bin and attract pests. Veggie scraps, fruit peels, not citrus, coffee grounds, eggshells. Worm bins should feel like a wrung-out sponge, not a swamp. Excess water can drown your worms. Add dry, shredded paper to soak up extra moisture. Dry bedding means dehydrated worms. If your bin sounds like crinkling paper, it's time to spray it down. Mist the bedding and cover with a damp cloth or newspaper. Worms breathe through their skin. Stagnant bins equal stressed worms. Make sure your bin has air holes and isn't tightly sealed. Drill small holes in the sides and lid for ventilation. Worms like it between 55 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot, they'll escape. Too cold, they'll slow down. Keep your bin in a basement, closet, or shaded patio. If you leave castings too long, it becomes toxic for the worms. Harvest every 2 to 3 months to keep things fresh. Dark, crumbly texture with no visible food. Night crawlers from your backyard won't work. Use red wigglers or European night crawlers. Composting pros. Our worm selector quiz is in the description. It takes a few weeks for your bin to balance. If it's not perfect at first, don't give up. Worms are resilient and so are you. You're creating living soil. Be proud. Thanks for tuning into the Wormy Garden. Drop a comment if you've made any of these mistakes. We've all been there. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a wormy tip. And hey, if you haven't already, check out our full vermicomposting starter guide to get your bin going the right way. Until next time, grow worms, grow soil, grow good things.